Hi, Jenny here. Valentine's Day is a couple days away, so today we're going to make some strawberry cake cookies. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 box of strawberry cake mix, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 eggs, a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 bag of white chocolate chips. First we are going to mix together the 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of oil, and half a teaspoon of vanilla, and we'll mix it all well. Now we'll add our cake mix and our baking powder. We are going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips to our mix, and then after the cookies bake, we're going to add additional chips on top. This mix is really thick. Holy smokers. Alright, I'm going to pour the extra chocolate chips into a little bowl so they'll be easier to grab when the cookies come out. We'll preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And we're going to scoop these out by teaspoonfuls and then bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. Into the oven they go. I have a new cookie pan, so we'll see how these cookies bake on there. And we'll start off with 8 minutes and check it then. Alright. Oh. Look pretty good. Alright, we're going to put a few extra chocolate chips on top and make them look pretty. Now I'll go transfer them over to my cooling rack, let them cool for a little bit, and then we'll taste them. So I'll get an action shot. I'll take it with me. See how that works. Take me to the living room. Nope, dining room. I forgot to turn on the light. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, we'll let them cool for a little bit, then put them on the cooling racks to cool completely. Alright, we've let these cool on the pan a couple minutes, and now we'll put them under the cooling racks. When I make M&M cookies, what I do is I do mix some of the M&Ms in, and then I put the M&Ms on top of the cookie before I bake it. So I'm going to try a few of these cookies that way too and see how that turns out. Well, it looks like some of the ends of the chocolate chips got a little bit darker. You can see on some of the tips there. A little bit kind of burnt, so I guess maybe it would be better just to put these chips on afterwards. Don't notice that with the M&Ms. But obviously white chocolate chips, you're gonna notice. So a little prettier if you put the chips on after they're cooked. Alright, the cookies have cooled. You should cool them for about 10 minutes so that the chocolate chips on top are hardened. You don't want to stack the cookies or anything and then have the chocolate smush down and melt onto the other cookies and all that. So make sure that they are cool. And let's give them a taste test. See how bottoms look good, not too brown. I cooked them for, I'd say 10 minutes. And very strawberry. Tastes like cake. I've never made cookies from cake mix before. Have you guys done that? Let me know in the comments below if you've used cake mix and what type and how you like those cookies. My thoughts, the batter was a little bit thicker than usual, but that seemed okay. The cookies didn't spread out very much, which was good because I used a new pan which doesn't have an edge on it, and I didn't want, I was hoping the cookies wouldn't kind of spread out and go over the edge and drip in my oven. That wouldn't have been good. But that went well. It was easy to put the chocolate chips in afterwards. It's kind of a versatile cookie. You could probably use M&Ms on top if you wanted to do that. You could put some chocolate on top and put some sprinkles on there. So that's kind of a nice thing to do. That if you want something a little bit different, you can use the same type of recipe and do many things. So that's good. And it's a smaller batch of cookies. So this only made 44 cookies for me. And I make them on the smaller side because I like smaller cookies. Normal batch of cookies for me makes about 60. So if you're looking for something smaller, this would be a good option too. So anyways, that's it from me. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.